So that shit don't even make sense. They don't even have proof. Countries are battling with each other to say, "Oh, I got the bigger dick," right?
Okay, so now this is where Christians, or what I call them, creationists. There's only two views, right? There's creationist, and then there's the Big Bang Theory, right? Evolutionist, right? There's two. There's no third or fourth in them. There's two major. Either you're gonna be in a creationist column. You could be creationist ስለሆንክ በሃይማኖት ታምናለህ ማለት አይደለም. We have agnostic who don't believe in anything, but they believe in intelligent design, right? There's some intelligent design, right? So those we call them creationists, like any Abrahamic religion, Buddhism, Hinduism, and all that. And then, of course, agnostic and atheist. You could be atheist and believe in creation too. There are atheists who believe in creation, meaning like they believe in.
They're just mad at God, bro. Those people are mad at God.
Hold on. Then when you come on this side, you have a pure evolutionist who believe that the world was created out of the Big Bang Theory, and since then everything been evolving slowly.
Yeah, but how could there be a beginning? In the beginning there was nothing. How could there something cater me?
How could there be God?
Like, if my pockets are empty, right? If my pockets are empty and I'm staying still for millions of years, huh?
Who created God?
There's a creator.
Who created him?
That's not a question for me to know.
No.
Maybe he's the one.
No, both of them, by the way, both of them.
I don't even.
No, understand. It's not blasphemy. You gotta understand. Both of them are saying the same thing in a different way. And then everything came out of ሁሉም የመጣ ከሁለት አተም ነው ይላል አይደል? አንድ atom split into two, colliding the speed of light. Big Bang Theory.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. When Christian demonstrated, out of nowhere, in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The biblical.
Yes, it took 7 days.
Hold on.
That's a big difference.
Hold on. Who created him? How did he came?
Maybe he was just like, yo, let me create something.
How? No. Who created? Who created him?
Maybe su created altaderagam su exist yaragam.
So why then? How come? What about the atom? The atom that split into two and collided and created the whole. The known, by the way. I know. Agreed. Only the choice of what? Faith, right? Both of them. The choice of faith.
And also, like, it doesn't make sense.
I think science makes more sense than religion.
It don't. It's not proven. It's theory.
Everything that you live in is out of science, not religion. Everything that you use, everything.
But it's not proven.
Proven.
Doing it
unproven on a hypothesis or not theory or child, because we're not intellectual enough to get to that point. But there's a lot of stuff that science.
Then why bring him up? Bring him up?
Maybe in 1,000 years.
No, they're just gonna be.
No. 1,000 years ago. 1,000 years, not 200 years ago. ከሁለት ዓመት በፊት ከ200 ዓመት በፊት የነበረው አመለካከትና አሁን ያለው አመለካከት እድገት ይለያል. A change.
In what sense?
In every sense. Life, ideology, every sense. I'm talking about medical. I'm talking about ideology. Even religion itself evolved.
What do you think? Let me ይመስላል ሰው excuse me, sorry. Why do you think ብዙ ሰው ወደ old medicine የሚመለሰው?
What do you mean all medicine? Bro, we're living longer than this is the longest we have lived ነገር ማወቅ ያለባችሁ ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃላችሁ? ከ70 ዓመት በፊት የሰው ላይፍ ኤክስፔክተንሲ ሰማ ጋይስ ታፕ እና ኮፒ ሊንክ አድርጉ። ዝም ብላችሁ ትሬን ሰዓት ነው።
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. ሰማል ኦኬ። በነገራችሁ ላይ ታፕ እና ኮፒ ሊንክ እያደረጋችሁ አይደላችሁም ብዙዎቻችሁ። ኪንግ አንድ ነገር ማወቅ ያለበት human life አሁን ነው እኛ ሎንግ ላይፍ እየኖርን ያለ ነው because of the technology, the medicine, the nutrition. like ሁሉን ነገር አውጥቶ ሞረር አይደለም ዛሬ the reason እድሜያችን of course በራሳችን መንገድ ምግባችን ስትረስ ህይወታችን ማስተካከል እንችላለን። ግን የሰው ልጅ እንደ history of at least record መደረግ ከተጀመረ ጀምሮ we are living the longest, the most prosperous, the most educated, the most like አሁን ነው this is it.
No, what about the guys 700 ዓመት ሲኖሩ የነበሩት ሲዮዳ?
That's not true. That's something.
What are you talking about?
That's biblical. That's not true.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
No, we don't know that. There's no fact about that. There's no zero fact. በነገራችን ላይ ወደ ጥልቅ እንትን መግባት አልፈልግም። ኮንስፒሬሲ ምናምን ማነው አዳም 950 ዓመት ኖረ ከሌ እንደዚህ ኖረ all of those are not proven, they're not facts, they're just religious.
Why not? Why wouldn't
it's like Greek mythology. You accept it by faith. And the Greek mythology code, are you going to take the book of Anunnaki? Are you going to take the Sama? Are you going to believe in Odyssey of ምንድን ነው ከመጽሐፍ ቅዱስ በፊት የነበሩ መጽሐፍቶችን ትቀበላቸዋለህ? ትወስዳቸዋለህ? The Epic of Gilgamesh? Are you going to take the Epic of Gilgamesh where they were living 36,000 years, 38,000 years, 42,000 years? እውቀት በነፃ እኮ ነው የማፈሰው ብራዘር። እኔ ቻሌንጅ እያደረኩ ነው።
My bad.
Don't worry.
No, I like this. Go ahead.
Mickey, what I want you to do, ምንድን መሰለህ? What's up, man? You're smart. I know you're intelligent. I know if you lock in and study for like 2-3 weeks, oh my God.
There's one thing I don't do, bro. You know, all these questions that you have, I'm not a religious scholar. For me to be like, yo, like I have the answers for you, I don't. The same way you don't have the answers, we don't have the answers.
ለኔ አይደለም ለራስህ you don't have
ማንም መልሱ የለውም።
No, አለ
ማንም መልሱ እኮ የለውም።
መልሱ አለ
There's no way, because you know why? መልሱ ቢኖር ማለት ነው መልሱ ቢኖር ይሄ የሪሊጂየስ ዲቤት ያልከ ነበር። ገባ? People make their own decisions to say, I'm grabbing breakfast, by the way, my bad, y'all.
No,
but ቢኖር ማለት ነው
99% ስለማያነብ ነው። ስለማያነብ አሁን ለምሳሌ
ያ እሱም አለ ግን እስቲ
እኔ እናንተ አሁን ዲቤት ብናደርግ 99% የማያነብ ከሆነ ወይ ሚኪ ከተመቸው የሚኪን አይዲያ ይወስዳል ወይ እኔ ከተመቸው የኔ አይዲያ ይወስዳል። but they have no clue. ዝም ብለው በእንትን ነው በቲፎዞ ነው የሚወስዱት። አላነበቡትም አላጠኑትም። አንድ so አሁን you cannot be a Christian if you never read the Bible. You cannot if you don't understand the Bible, if you don't study it, if you don't understand it, if you don't understand it, if you don't study, you're not a Christian, you're a tifozo. It's like saying You know? Tifozo. Yeah, you're a Tifozo. You're a fan. You're so innocent. Majority, 99% of the people who follow religion, they're fans. They don't know their religion. They never read the book.
So, let me tell you, አንድ ነገር አንተ ጋር መስማማው ባለፈው ነገር ሰምቻለሁ። አንድ ነገር I was listening to you talk about this. አንድ ነገር መስማማው እኔ ትናንትና እኔ አሁን if I was born to like የቻይኒዝ ከቻይኖች ጋር በወለድ I might be የነሱን religion ገባህ አይደለ? ግን ምንድነው ማሰብ ያለብህ?
ማየት አይደለም
no ገባህ? I said I would. I will. And now, in most cases, ምን መሰለህ እንደዛ ስታስበው እኔ አበሻውኝ መወለዴ personally ልንገር አበሻውኝ መወለዴ from Orthodox family መምጣቴ to me that's an honor that my family gave me. And I'm always going to be thankful.
But it doesn't make it true though.
No, but
it doesn't make it true though.
It's true to me.
No, there's no such thing that የውርስ ማንነት ተቀብለህ አንተ እኮ ወርሰ እኮ ነው የውርስ ማንነት እኮ ነው የተቀበልከው። So ለምሳሌ
that's a beautiful thing. እኔ
ኦሮሚያ ብትወለድ ደግሞ
my family power.
I know of course አንተ እኮ ይኸውልህ ምን መሰለህ እኔ I don't believe በውርስ ሃይማኖት አላምንም። እኔ በውርስ anything አላምንም። እኔ ውርስ ማምነው
your family was different?
99
family different ነበሩ?
99.9% ከኔ ውጭ ኦርቶዶክስ ናቸው ቤተሰቦች። እኔ ራሱ I was a deacon, I was an Orthodox deacon, man, until I was 20 years old.
እንደዚህ የምትሆን
No. See,
and so it's a church case that we go crazy.
No, you're not understanding. I studied every religion. You understand? And I choose not to follow religion. I don't follow religion. I have no religion anymore.
Why not?
Because they're all fake.
Why not?
They made.
Why? Why is it fake to you?
Because they don't exist. They don't exist. Majority of the religion don't exist. 1,500 years ago.
Would you rather chase an unsolved theory and think this is right than like a belief, faith in this?
No, I'd rather chase truth than to be comforted by lies.
Huh?
I'd rather chase the truth and to be comforted by lies because religion is a lie. By the way,
but even
I prefer Christianity more than anything because I study all the books. I study all the books, right? I study the Quran. I study the Torah. I study the, I have enough research about Buddhism, Hinduism. You understand? Even Confucianists, right? I study. After all that, based on comparing to each other, comparing it to each other.
Man.
Again, this is very, very important. Comparing to what's out there, I believe Christianity is the safe choice, the real Christianity. Calvinism Christianity.
What do you mean safe? What does that mean?
Okay.
What do you mean by that?
Safe.
I'm really curious to explain safe.
For example, I don't want to offend the people. Don't offend me.
No, just say it. It's cool.
Don't offend me.
No. Like.
Okay.
That's fine. No, just say it. It's okay.
Yes, Solich. I think ብዙ ሳይንቲስቶች ፕሮፌሰሮች ምናምን ኳንቲፋይ አድርገው በአራት ሜጀር ጥያቄዎች ናቸው
ማለት
ኦኬ
ኖ ሴፍ ቾይስ ስትል እኮ you act like it's run የሚያደርጉ እያስመሰልከው ገባ before you speak, bro. Is that mine?